In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use Lottify animation and effects in Canva. To use that, I want to create a new document. I want to use this 1:1 aspect ratio document. It was getting opened. So in this blank document, I'm going to use that Lottify animation and effects. So what is that Lottify animation and effects? So in Canva, we have a lot of apps, which is from external websites. You can use it here by accessing the resources, the animation, design, and 3D models. Everything you can access through these apps. So now I just click this option, apps, and in this, I want to type the keyword which is Lottify. So Lottie animation, that's a keyword I was using. When I use this keyword and search, I have a lot of results here. You can see that I have a lot of results. So here I'm going to use this Lottie animation. I click here and I want to choose this option which is open. So it shows you what is this and what kind of results will have when I use this app in my Canva. I see the other images. It shows you that you can do edit the colors and other all things. Now I just come here and you can see the description, how many animations and graphics you can access through this Lottify. So Lottie, and then I choose this open here. So when I choose open, it open the particular Lottie animations here. It was getting opened, and you can see that it almost looks like our elements window of Canva, but it's not element. Yeah, it's a app. I'm going to explore. I'm going to add it from this Lottie animation. So how I'm going to add the same way we used previously. I can either drag and drop. You can see I was just drag and drop here. Oh my god. So I was selecting that. Yeah, so we have free as well as premium. You can see that. And in free, I have a lot of animations. It starts with the fire effect and all those animations. You can scroll down and you can see all those animations. You can also mention the keyword to find the particular category animation. And below here, you can see it shows you the featured, popular, recent. So based on the need, you can choose which one you want. And here I have those palettes. So if you want the graphics animation with these color combinations, you can go for those things. You can also create new palette if you want. Now I'm going to use the existing one. Right now I'm going to use this one. So I click this animation and you can see that who was created this animation, and I want to add this in my design. So I choose this option, add GIF to design, and I want to choose the dimension. I choose medium. It was getting added. You can see it's a GIF animation they have created with Adobe Illustrator or Adobe Animate, whichever the software, but the output is in the form of GIF animation. So it was getting open with my design. Okay, the process is going on. It was inserting. So this is how you can add the Lottie animations inside. Right now I was having that animation here. You can see that I just scale this and I can place where I want. I can also use the background color as I require. Okay, the process is not yet completed. You can see that if I want, I can duplicate this also. So I just right click there and I can choose this duplicate. I have the other copies also. Now you can see the timeline. The most important thing, it was added in a separate timeline. And apart from this, I want to open other things in Lottie animation. So it was not yet completed. Okay, so it was perfectly uploaded now. And when it was perfectly uploaded, you can see that the background was completely transparent. It doesn't have any kind of graphics or gray areas. Now again, I go to this place, I choose my Lottie animation, and you can see we successfully added. And I come back here and I'm going to choose this option, which is fire. And I'm going to add this animation. You can see it's beautifully done with any one vector based animation software. I choose add. This time I choose the small. I choose add. So it was getting added with my user interface. It was having that boy, and I was added that fire also. So you can see the process is going on. And when I come to this my upload window, it will show you what we have with the glyphs. Okay, right now here we don't have those elements, so it was getting uploaded from Lottie to Canva. So this is how we do the work. And now I want to add some background. So to add the background, I need to choose some element, the basic element. I want to choose the photograph, and I'm going to type the keyword space, and I press the enter. You can see I have a lot of space, and I want to open one particular picture, and you can see this is how we have the look. So I want to add the background because you want to know whether the background is transparent or not. So you can see clearly that the background is completely transparent. So this is how you can add Lottie animation inside your Canva, and you can also add the effects like this, the fire effect or any other effect which is available with Lottie. So you can open again and you can go for the particular keyword here, and you can mention what kind of animations you require. Like I'm going to give a keyword rain, and I press enter. So when I press enter, you can see I got a lot of rain effects. Like based on that need, I can choose which one I want here. Like I just click here and I want to add that here. So I choose add to design. And this time I was deleting this fire, and for the background also I delete that picture, and I need to add some video clip. So I go to this elements and I choose video, and here I'm going to type space. After typing that keyword space, I press enter, and here you can see we have a lot of videos. So I want to choose one video here which is having the camera movement, and you can see I was having this video. So I come here, you can see how it works. And if I want to change the direction, I can change the direction of the character or the background. So I choose this clip and I choose flip horizontal. So now we'll have the movement towards this side. So this is how you can use the Lottie animation and effects which is available with Lottie. I was added the rain effect, and it was in the process still. So I shows you how to add that fire effect using the Lottie also. So this is how we use the Lottie animation inside Canva. The same way we use Lottie, we have lot more animation, that applications inside. To access that, just go to that apps and type animation, and you can see a lot of animation based apps are out there. You can simply click that and you can utilize according to your need. So this is how we use the Lottie animation effects in Canva.